Are you searching for the best signal generator? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best signal generator in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, Mature Digital DDS Function Generator. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. UNI-T Function Arbitrary Waveform Generator. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. FNIRSI Adjustable Current Voltage Simulator Signal Generator. FNIRSI SG003A0-10V Adjustable Current Voltage Simulator 4 to 20 mA Signal Generator. Sources: transmitter, calibrator, transmit. Number 4. FeelElec Waveform Generator Source Frequency Counter. Robust output protection, equipped with short circuit protection, ensuring all channels can operate for over 60 seconds in case of load short circuits. Versatile waveform types, supports a wide range of waveforms including sine, square, and arbitrary, catering to diverse signal testing needs. Advanced scanning functionality, offers linear and logarithmic scanning modes with a 0.01s 999.99s scan time for detailed frequency and amplitude analysis. Hertz Frequency Generator, Healing Frequency Generator, High Resolution Precision, 14-bit vertical resolution and 1 new Hz frequency resolution ensure accurate and precise signal generation. Comprehensive modulation options, features AM, FM, PM, ASK, FSK, and PSK modulation for complex signal generation and analysis. The display interface adopts 2.4-inch TFT color LCD, which makes the operation more intuitive and convenient. The instrument uses direct digital frequency synthesizer (DDS) technology to provide stable, accurate, pure and low distortion signals. Rich keyboard shortcuts and graphical user interface simplify each operation. Easy to operate. Surface mount technology can improve anti-interference and service life. The instrument uses a 14-bit high-D/a conversion chip, 5 VPP output quantization error less than 1 MV, a sampling rate of 250 MSA/s, and a vertical resolution of 14-bit. Number 5. Maxgeek 0.5 MHz 470 MHz RF Signal Generator Meter Tester. The Maxgeek signal generator is not just about functionality, it's also about ease of use. The device features a 7-digit frequency display, allowing for precise frequency readings. The arrow keys provide straightforward numerical stepping and selection, making it easy to navigate through the various settings. The built-in 800 Hz tone modulation is another useful feature, enabling you to test audio modulation alongside frequency and signal strength. Frequency counter. What is a carrier frequency? Frequency range 0.5 MHz 470 MHz. Extensive frequency range from 0.5 MHz to 470 MHz, ideal for FM radio and walkie-talkie debugging. Signal strength -7132 dBm. High sensitivity with a signal strength range of -70 to 132 dBm, ensuring accurate testing. Built-in 800 Hz tone modulation. It features 800 Hz tone modulation for precise signal analysis and tuning. Portable design, lightweight and portable, perfect for on-the-go signal testing and troubleshooting. Easy-to-use interface. User-friendly interface with arrow keys and number keys for quick signal selection.